Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Test and Tutorials Point. Today we are going to discussing about this keyword in Java. Basically, this keyword refers the variables that refers to the current object. We have uses six different ways. Who all are new from Java? They can able to learn first three only. Remaining three bit confusion. When you are an experienced guy, then you can able to learn. First one is this can be refer current class instant variables. This can be used to invoke current class method. This can be used to invoke current class constructor. This can be used an argument in the method call. Pass the arguments in the current constructor call. Use it to return the current class instant from another other method. These six are presented. First, we are going to discussing about this one. Refer the current class instant variables. See, now I'm going to create int one roll one, and I'm going to create constructor this a. Here I'm going to pass again int roll, and here first we will see that how normal way without you're using the this keyword how it will refer. Okay, what all the output it will display and those things we can able to see now. Why display? Here I'm going to print value roll. This one without using this keyword. Okay, I'm going to create an object in here, another class obj equal to new one, and I'm going to pass 10 as a number, and this is the one I'm going to run this one first. It will print null values. Why means I'll tell you the thing. See, now console is not print now console is not printed anything value, right? Zero, null values, null, nothing, because it is not refer the current instant variable. And I'm going to use here this dot roll, and the same program I'm going to run one more time. Oh, sorry, at display we are not called, right? Obj dot display, we need to print, right, the value we need to use. And here is null, zero, because int value printed 0, but we passed 10. And now a bit change this keyword, same class I'm going to print. Now it will display 10 value, because it is refer current instant variable. We are passing the constructor place and the value this keyword here, and we are assigning the values here. How without using this keyword to assign the value means we can able to call this one here, and this one we can able to assign a value without using this keyword. Same value only, but a different way. Without this keyword and without this keyword. If you pass the parameter constructor parameter as a different name, that will pass assign the value uh, into one, which is the role, which is the variable presented in that particular class. That value it will assign. Otherwise, if you want to same role which is presented here constructor place and both the values means you need to use this keyword. That is the first one. And second one is invoking the current class method implicitly. Here, basically this one, like if you do not use this keyword and compile it, means if you are not going to use this keyword in a method, but you want to invoke that method to run. a simple how to do it. We'll see now. Now I'm going to remove this all the things, and here I'm going to print void m is the method, display m1, and here is a n, but I'm going to use this dot m is the method. I'm going to invoking the method. And the same object I'm going to call here n method, but I'm not going to invoking any m method. I'm not going to call m method, but just I invoke that method into using this keyword here. And if I'm going to run this one, it will print m and n value. Both it will print m and n. This is the second object. Now third is using the invoking the current class constructor. We need to use this keyword in current class constructor. Here I'm going to default constructor I'm going to create. This A is my default constructor. I'm going to use the default only, and second one is this A I'm going to pass int x, some value, and I'm going to print here x value x, and also here I'm going to call directly this keyword. Okay, I'm not going to call default constructor, and I'm just going to use this keyword. Okay, but I'm not going to pass a value here. Now here I'm going to use here, and I'm going to declaring value. Individual, I need to declare the value, right? If you are not declaring, and here I'm going to run this class. 10 is printed. The same way, without passing here the value, directly we can able to pass here, and we can able to print that value, which is the one value is presented at that value. But I'm going to pass this constructor value here, and 10 is the value. Okay, but now I'm not going to pass constructor value, which is the value is referring that second constructor, right? That value default, and as well as it is printed 10 value, both it is printed. Now fourth one is this can be passed the argument in the method call. This keyword we need to pass in a method argument also. How, right? Now see here, I have void method. I'm going to create first. Void m is the method, and here I'm going to pass this a is a object one. Okay, and here I'm going to call this one system dot out dot println. Okay, I will print. a value which is the one default, and here what I'm going to do, right? Because this is the object one I'm passing here, and second method is p is the value, and in this p what I'm going to do, m, and this I'm going to pass this value, means this will refer to this constant class object, and it will invokes, and I created object, and just I'm going to run, it will create console the value, and sorry, it is not printed a value. Yes, I call the method, right? P is the method, because without calling the method it will not read. Now see the default one, it is display, right? This way we can able to achieve first fourth one also, and fifth one and sixth one bit difficult to understand the way, but I will explain you. But you have to understand the flow, because then only you can able to understand what exactly that flow is presented, otherwise we can't. But if you are getting more experience, then you can able to understand this remaining two. This can pass the argument in the constructor call. This can be returned to current class instant from method. These two, how it works, we will see. Now see, class A is presented. I have variable x equal to 10. Okay, but I printed here. Now I'm going to create default constructor. Here I'll tell you what exactly we want to print, use the values. And class B and class C. Uh, can you go to class A and class B? Main class. Okay, I printed here. I put all the values here, right? Okay. Now I'm going to create this A object, and my constructor is B, and here I'm going to print this A object I'm going to pass, and again I'm going to print, sorry, obj equal to obj, because both the values I'm going to referring in the constructor ways, and void display, and I'm going to print sys out. Here I'm going to print B, and this is the one I completed, right? Okay. Here is the class A instant is presented, and here is class this B equal to new. In the constructor place, I'm going to create the class. Every time we are going to confuse this one only, because it's a bit complicated one to understanding. And because this is the one, it refers the this keyword. And B dot display, I'm going to showcase. And now in the B place, I'm going to create a main method. Save. I'm going to print a object, and method is not presented. Just I'm going to call this one. B is printed. Like this also we can able to call this one. And also here is this keyword we can able to use the return type also. How we can able to use return type? And here is one I'm going to use the return type. And this a get a, and here I'm going to return this keyword. Just I return this keyword in the constructor level. Okay, and here I'm going to create a method message, and here I'm going to print this value message. The same one I'm going to call here, like I'm not going to use that object one, and dot get a dot message. We are creating normally object, right? Now here I'm not going to create the object, but I'm going to call a method, which is the one we used, message we printed. Like this, all the 6 ways we can able to use this keyword. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.